When you're doing it yourself, sometimes you end up in a sticky situation. That's why I keep tub of towels close by to help clean up my messes.
Or so I can clean them up. These wipes are safe to use on most surfaces like carpet, tile, floorboards, and walls. Tub of towels are 2 times bigger and stronger, which means they can even remove caulk and tape residue. They're fully saturated and extra large, making it easy to get the job done.
Plus, they're made from a quilted material that won't rip unless you want it to get in small crevices. Tub of towels are made with aloe, vitamin E, and lanolin, which keeps my skin soft. Even when he draws a heart with permanent marker.
Do it yourself.
With a little extra help.